Hey everyone, Brendan here from Athena Intelligence. Today we're going to walk through a couple updates to Athena's voice mode. We'll start by opening up a new workspace. So typically we would ask folks to create a spreadsheet, a document, any of the other asset types in order to begin work. Separately, we could also ask Athena to do that. Create a doc and a spreadsheet. That doesn't take too long. What's going to end up taking a while is asking to do all the small things like add some content to this document, update this spreadsheet, and once we have a few of these open, what we'll notice is it's much easier to use voice mode in order to accelerate this workflow. So I'll start by turning on voice mode and getting started.
Hello, I'm Athena, your
Hey,
AI.
Athena. Let's get started by opening a new document.
A new document has been created. What would
Great.
you like to add to it?
Let's add, can you do some research on the UFO sightings in the Northeast?
I found several recent articles about mysterious drone sightings in the Northeast, which are being speculated as UFOs.
Okay, let's add a couple items of content into this document.
The information has been added to your document.
Great.
Is
Can
there-
you add a couple locations where they've been seen?
The document now includes some locations where the sightings have been reported. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, that looks good. Let's create a new spreadsheet now.
A new spreadsheet has been created. What would you like to do next?
Can you include a column in column 1 all of the counties that these UFOs have been sighted in?
I've added the counties where UFO sightings have been reported to the first column of the spreadsheet. Anything else you'd like?
Yeah, can you add the state for each of those counties too?
The states for each county have been added to the second column. Would you like to include any more information?
Yeah, let's add a section of context or notes, like what was cited in each county.
I've added notes about what was cited in each of those counties.
Nice, looks good. Great, now I'd like to do a little bit more research to see if we can find some other counties.
Sure. Would you like me to search for more counties with UFO sightings in the Northeast?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
I found additional counties in the Northeast with UFO sightings. Somerset County, New Jersey. Ocean County, New Jersey.
Nice, can you add them all to the document? And let's all add those to the spreadsheet too.
The additional counties have been added to the spreadsheet.
And the states in the notes for those counties.
The states and notes for the additional counties have been added to the spreadsheet.
Fantastic.